My name's Hagan Lee. I've been a service technician here at Bridgestone 16 years. What I love about working at Bridgestone is here in the service technician field, we're constantly honing our skills. Bridgestone has provided for us to go to numerous sets of classes. They've flown me to different states to learn about different upgrades that we're doing. 16 years ago, when I was finishing my high school looking for what career path I should take, I found out that Bridgestone offered a co-op program called the Tech Scholars. What the Tech Scholars is, they will provide you a part-time job, they will pay for your books, and they will pay for your tuition. And then you can work hand in hand together with the senior technicians to give you experience that you need to carry out your service technician career. Anybody looking for a competitive pay, anybody looking for any way to further your skills, I would suggest Bridgestone, because Bridgestone offers a multi-craft service technicians where you can do mechanically, you can do electrical, you can do computer, so you have a various knowledge of all different kind of skills that you have to have, not just one certain skill that you provide for the company. It's multi-skill. 16 years being at Bridgestone, but one of the benefits and the things I like about it, I grew up in this area, I was born in this area, so I would like to stay in this area and work at a manufacturing plant that gives back to the community. They've helped me out through school and they believed in me, so I'm gonna give back to them.